Hi there YouTube, this is Kelly, and for our lesson I will gonna do an interview. So basically I will interview myself and I will answer myself. I have to do that because I have nobody here, so I have to do that alone. I will ask myself and I will answer myself. First I will ask questions in English and then I will translate it in English. I'll answer it in English and no. I will ask myself in English, translate it in Tagalog, answer it in English, translate it in Tagalog. Okay, so let us start. Kali, what is your favorite color? Ano ang paborito mong kulay? My favorite color is yellow. Ang paborito kong kulay ay dilaw. What is your favorite pet? Ano ang paborito mong alaga? My favorite pet is dog. Ang paborito kong alaga ay aso. What is your favorite food? Ano ang paborito mong pagkain? My favorite food is barbecue. Ang paborito kong pagkain ay barbecue. Sorry, I don't know barbecue in Tagalog. I don't think we have a term for that in Tagalog. So just say barbecue. Okay, that's the first part. I will do another video, the continuation of this interview. And please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.